Yeah, so hello guys, this is Afroz Chakre and today we are going to solve find largest value in each tree row. So this is a medium problem on LeetCode, and in this problem we have been given the root of a binary tree and we have to return an array of the largest value in each of the rows of the tree, which is 0 indexed. Okay, so we need to return this value, like for each of the rows we need to return the largest value. For example, in 3 2 3 is the largest, so we return 3. Here only one node is there, so we return 1. And in the third row we have 3 nodes, and out of that 9 is the largest, so we return 9. And there are many ways to do this problem, so the approach that I'll be following is DFS, and we'll be following the pre-order approach. So in this we'll since we need to return a vector, so we'll declare vector int, and let's just call that a largest val, and we'll use a helper function and we'll pass the root, the largest value, and we'll pass in the initial height, which will be 0, and last we'll return this largest value vector which we need to return. Okay. Yeah, so now we'll write the helper function. So for this we'll use void helper, since we are changing it, like changing the values inside largest value only, so no need to return anything. We'll use the tree node root and vector int, passing in the address of largest val, then int height. Okay. Then for this we'll be using pre-order. So for first we need to check the base condition. If root is equal to null, we'll just return. And another thing that we'll take into consideration is if initially largest val will be empty, so the height of the size of largest val will be 0. So in such situation we'll insert a value inside our largest val. So we'll push that value inside a vector, push back, we'll do root val. And the other case will be when our largest val size will not be equal to our height. So in such a situation, it could arise when we have 2 or more nodes at the same rows. So if we have that situation, it will like first check which one is the maximum. So we'll do largest val at the index height. We'll check if which one is the maximum, whether the current node is maximum or the current node in height is like the largest val is maximum, or the current node in root. Yeah, so after doing that we'll just do the recursive traversals. Do left largest val and height plus, yes, and we'll repeat the same for the right subtree as well, and I think it should be good to be run. Okay, it's running. Okay. Yeah, so it is accepted. So once again, we need to find the largest value in each of the rows, and we need to return that in the form of array. So for doing that, we have declared a largest val vector, and we passed that largest val into a helper function. So that helper function will do the pre-order traversal, and for each of the each time we'll check whether our largest val, the size of a vector, is equal to height or not. If it is equal to our height, it means that the other node can be the value at the current root. Root node could be like can be inserted. So we do that each time, and else if that is not the case, we take the largest value among the current value inside the largest val, or the current value inside the node. So by doing that, we'll be able to generate, we'll be replacing the value inside the vector each time with the maximum node, and we'll do the recursive traversals each time. And that is it, and thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and share the content. Thank you.